Well, once again, and the race on Musashi Wen. Oh, Madam Rhea is running by the Royal Concert King Classic Kit Kat Echo McRacken Country Charm racing in 9th position, 10th Superior Joe 11 Brad, and entry number 10 This Queen is the tail ender. Back to the front runner, Madam Rhea by about 2 lengths, followed by Musashi in second. When racing in third by the Royal Fort Concert King, Echo Mac Classic Kit Kat, Danori inside, and moving up is Superior Joe. Then comes Rocken Brad, Country Charm, and J Queen still the tail ender. Now the course of the win has been altered with Wen from the outside, Madam Rhea Concert King Classic Kit Kat, and on the outside rushing up is Echo Mac. When Madam Rhea, Echo Mac, Concert King, Superior Joe Classic Kit Kat, when still the Madam Rhea, entering the finish line, 11 Concert King, Madam Rhea Classic Kit Kat, Echo Mac, Superior Joe for your Super 6.